Hi all, welcome back to our lecture series. Today we'll see the continuity of micro irrigation system, which comes under the subject automation techniques in agriculture engineering under the topic advanced machinery and equipment in agricultural engineering 1 for the students of second year fourth semester. At the previous class, we have seen the machineries involved in precision techniques along with the kinds of levelers and operated planters, and briefly about what is a micro irrigation system, what are the types involved in micro irrigation system, and how these five kinds of micro irrigation system basically differs. I have given you a very brief note about these three or five kinds of micro irrigation system, and what could be the benefit and what they do and what is the procedure involved in these kinds of micro irrigation system. What are the necessary materials involved in micro irrigation system? These are the things which we have seen. Today we'll see the cost involved in micro irrigation system. Uh, Before I have said certain irrigation systems and what are its benefits and how do they differ and everything I have covered. Now I'll cover what is a bucket kit system. This is the system which has been initially used by us under micro irrigation system in terms of conserving soil and water. A bucket kit irrigation system is nothing but a method where the water is provided to the plants, particularly in small gardens or urban settings. It consists of a container such as a bucket or a barrel, which I have shown in this picture itself, filled with water connected to a series of tubes or hoses with drip emitters or sprinklers. The features involved in bucket kit irrigation system are they are inexpensive to set up, requiring only the basic materials that are readily available and affordable. It is very easy to install as the assembly and making them suitable or which is similar to that of a DOI projects without the need for specialized skills or tools. It is very benefited under the range of water efficiency as the buckets are designed to deliver water directly to the root zone of the plant, minimizing the evaporation and the runoff, and also it helps in promoting water efficiency. These kinds of bucket kits can be customized to suit various plant types, garden layouts, and watering needs by adjusting the placement and flow rate or drip emitters. And since these bucket kits are not permanently installed in the ground, they can be easily moved or repositioned as needed, making them very easy to portable. And this helps us to conserve the water by using only the amount needed by the plant, and also it promotes sustainability in gardening practices. This is how the bucket system had a very good efficient method, and this has been adopted before adopting sprinkler irrigation and many other micro irrigation systems. After which the system which we have adopted is drum kit irrigation system. This is similar to that of the bucket kit irrigation system. Instead of the bucket, we are just going to replace them with the help of a drum or a barrel. This will help us to distribute the water to the plants. Usually, it works by collecting rainwater or water from the another source in one or more drums or barrels placed strategically around the garden or the landscape. And these hoses or pipes are connected to the drum or barrels leading to the emitters, and the hoses are pushed near the plants to be irrigated. That means that under the bucket kit system, we have to fill the water source, but at the drop kit system, the drum is capable of collecting the rainwater and the water from any other sources. Depending on the elevation and layout of the garden, the water may be gravity fed from the drums to the irrigation component, or a small pump may be used to pressurize and distribute them the water which is necessary. Some drum kit systems may incorporate manual controls to regulate when and how long the irrigation system operates, making them to ensure the plant receive water at appropriate intervals. This is also possible for us to customize based upon the size of the garden and the requirement of the plant and specific irrigation needs, allowing them to be flexible and adapting to the different situations. This is how the drum kit irrigation system differs from that of the bucket kit irrigation system. Most of the benefits involved in these two kinds of kit irrigation systems are they are affordable, they are helpful in water conservation. It is not necessary for us to go for skilled labors, it is sustainable. This is why these two systems were adapted. Whereas the micro irrigation system, as I have said at the previous class itself, it is in need of a skilled labor as we have to be dependent upon the automated system that we have been constrained enough. Here, our main topic which we have to consider is cost of the micro irrigation system. Since the bucket kit irrigation system and the drum kit irrigation system are very affordable, the micro irrigation system has also to be affordable because since that is how we can adopt them easily. The cost could usually vary depending on several factors, including the size of the area to be irrigated and the type of the crop or the plants being irrigated. The complexity of the system and the quality of the components used depends upon these kinds. Some of the general cost considerations are initial investment and installation. Under the initial investment, the cost of the purchasing components such as drip lines, emitters, valves, tubes, and controllers plays a major role. The initial investment can vary widely depending on the size of the area and the level of automation which we have desired. The next installation cost includes the labor expenses for trenching, laying out the system, connecting the components, and also installing controllers or automation devices. The complexity of the installation and the terrain of the area can affect the installation cost. Next, which is dependent upon is maintenance expenses and operational cost. While micro irrigation systems typically have lower maintenance requirement compared to that of the other irrigation methods, most probably the ongoing expenses for the periodic maintenance such as replacing filters, cleaning emitters, and repairing or replacing the damaged components takes a major role. And also, the operational cost includes the water usage fees, energy cost for pumping the water if it is needed, which I have mentioned under drum kit system. This is how the cost of the micro irrigation system varies from the bucket kit system and drum kit system. This is what I have prepared for today's class. See you at the next class. Thank you.